Hi guys, I am sorry to announce but I am quitting YouTube. The reason why? Because I don't even get support, comments, likes or subscribers on sometimes I get subscribers. And I decided to quit because no one wants to watch my content. Only hate comment. I only have hate comments, guys. And then don't worry, guys. Will be giving out gifts. Only giving. I will also always be giving out. You, thank you for. I will be always giving thank you gifts to my subscribers, but only in the Philippines, in Luwalhati. If you want to order from me, just go to Luwalhati, and then I think I should quit, and this might be my last video ever. If you see me re-upload, please like and leave a supporting comment so I don't feel sad. I will miss you guys all. Bye bye.